The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for mutual waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:30 a.m. At 8:29 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles west of McHenry to 26 nautical miles west of Elgin, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.